Asembia nipa Addo Mahama appointing no say ombema jobs to the young people of Ghana. Nipa no o Assembly catch Ghana for. Ya fre Adjei radio so. And I be say Adjei say et say or say me nyame ho ye. Yo. Wo hu ye de ye wo nsem ba ku mienu bi bisaw Eric. Ya bisa Adjei say Adjei asem ba kwa ha Ghana youth no. Enti Adjei ye. Wow, we adwuma wɔ National Entrepreneurship and Innovation Program. Wow, we adwuma wɔ hɔ no. Adjei, what is your plan? Plan ben na wo for recruiting the young men and the young women of Ghana who need jobs. Adjei say the plan that they have, the plan that John Mahama has for the young men and women, and they say, tax every betting tax. So, Esan say, a juma do na epe ewo Ghana ha, betting juma no. Enti, onu Adjei ni boss John Mahama de. A juma ma create, emma the youth of this country, and they say, ye den. Tax every betting tax no so that obi bia obecha ne bet bia ewini no sas ka na obeji en na adwuma o ma create ma youth no me say me NDC na NDC for you en na adwuma na o ma create for youth no o mo yi betting tax everywhere enti adwuma na o ma create enti Ghanaian youth should bet more. Now you see, when you look at NIP, sometimes because when NIP started, I was part of the people that were involved in it. 2019. When NIP started, and Akufo-Addo, hey, Corona born papa. Corona really did us bad. Corona, I mean, I bet you okay. Because 2019, there was something called campus business speech. Campus business speech. And because I was SRC president then, who call all the campuses in Ghana now, tertiaries now, they had that, and the tertiary students were supposed to come. You can be in a group or you can be alone with their own business plans. Then the people who register, they will come and train you how to pitch an idea. Then you pitch it, then they go for the regional contest. The people who win, they receive up to 50,000 Ghana cedis funding. Right? Then the people who win from the regional will go to national. Business ideas, so they receive up to 100,000 Ghana cedis. In fact, the very first section, President Akufo-Addo did on one bottom sika the count. That was NIP for you. NEIP. And now Adjei, CEO of NIP no. NIP no is under office of the president too. Or catch it say. And or catch it say. Omo yi betting tax ne wo hointi. Oma create juma ma Ghana youth. And a lot of useless stuff Adjei was saying today. Let's listen shortly to Adjei.
Oni ni pana onye juma kwa me hwe no boso me bia no. And say e-levy burden na e wo ho ma unemployed person no. Mampani Mahama eden we ye fi ho. Ebiem
for Adjei say the job that they have created for Ghanaians, and he said, "Omo e-levy free." Say mo amuti. Adjei said the job they have created for Ghanaian youth They are asking for work and say, number one, omo betting tax free. Number two, omo levy free. That is the job they have created. You see, because this time around they cannot come and tell you again, say you should go into the bush and go and cut grass and sell, or go and pick stones and sell it. Now you see the nonsense they are telling you. Say removing betting tax a job creation. Removing e-levy a job creation. But you forgot and say, who Eric Adjei no, we buying no at the VAT from 4% equal 20%. You have forgotten say who Eric Adjei no, you are taking 8 Ghana cedis of on every 100 cedis of fuel purchased. And that money is translated into the passenger. You have forgotten, no? This is the government you people use to replace AMPP. Abaya and Moody replace MPP new. Let's listen again small.
Betting tax. Me, I have a principle. Betting, I don't like it though. But you won't say Ghana mebuno do na ni ejuma ye. Obeko betting joint no. Kono munyo almost source of income almost the. They were complaining bitterly. Say abayin untimi create ejuma bi amaye. Ye kwa kotu ye bet so enya bibi kakra hye ho a eno so di ye ho to. Eno so ye say Ghana mebuno na omo ye unemployed ne bo. Ye ba ye fi ho. Ebiem na no ada. Yare e ba.
When I was saying it, you people were laughing. People thought I was joking. Say, I bet you've heard it now for yourselves. You see, Eric Adjei unemployment. Idea I had Ghana for pa. Eric Adjei. Plan Ben a wuni jo Mahama mowa or say betting tax no me ye free ho. Ti do Ghana for unemployed you do na epe betting. And ti betting na omo penu. Ye tax in free so that or make me betting no more and full-time employment. Or say on ye levy free ho and no and a boy unemployed graduate no. Say whatever it is, would you and won't see? When a quen abaya Ghanaians were promised. Quen abaya and who knew. So let's power tap. Quen abaya and who knew. Let me drink water. Quen abaya no. And who knew. These are the people we used to sack NPP. Now to our main topic.
Ma employment akoswana. Na de papa ekeka de ene na nya adwere. Just yes or no. Answer na wama de so timika. Baby akeka de na say Ghana for yemfu ye ni kwakire betting kwa hon mu bitimi nyes Ghana. Just aduma bi no bitimi akriti dia mai. Tinin se mo ke cans free sanitary pad ne ho enso ni mfa so.
Adjei, good morning.
What is saying? Near a man over air can. What beside say unemployment. Now we are Kufuadu administration. A babeki come 7 years, you know. He's dodging the question. Kwame, Ebasa, you have to engage him to be online, ship him online. And yeah, Kufuadu, Intina Moto, ya 20 Kufuadu, at 20 MPP.
Good morning.
Of a Kwame Tanko, and say Franco Chacha Obia Oti Bia. Me pache frame says Rondo, Mekasa free banco, if you just banco. Na the Etienne say economy ye Jumana air cosune a boomino to the graduate unemployed no. A SMP and said that you're positive, sir. Adentia, me no kasaya your omo we nursing training backlog be 4 or 5 years old. Said na say Franco Kano. Oba education sector na any backlog bia ho, but gradually ye create backlog. Be me person make say abai no anase, but the truth is and say me no kasaya e won regime. So what I say, ye create certain backlog be at the education sector so omo we college of education 1 or 2 years no omo da so tifie ye post to but the whole crowd na first ye post to ye and ye post to e dey crowd ye and ye
me da say good morning.
Good morning of Kwame money adwuma awon asema e kan e fa economy ho on say you say good boss I mean was one yan for so about best $8 to $10 billion the Amagana. And to say, I was so with our other Ghana. I didn't know nurse for any teacher for you in Jomoka. Sanko for night, or me nurse and teachers and I in Jomokano. Or mother light my a bind the electricity. Our ya made my in Janica. When child light be I be trying to light beams on Nessum. Since I was a bush our mine.
Okay, good morning.
Katie, good morning. Me gidi so ho ye. Katie me srew. Ma me voice message me from Enkateme. Se wo ba me srew. Brakwa me wodum anope ya. Me electrician. Kebu meta a ne yɛtɔde yɛ adwuma 16 mm no ne yɛtɔ no 3,300 na VAT ɛyɛ 4%. Anɔpɛ yɛ mebedu adum VAT every 4% ɛkɔ 20% VAT. Anti ama kebu na yɛ 3,300 no sisa kebu no kɔ 3,700 keti anɔpɛ yɛ mo mo check e wa dum sisi a o ma mo ton electric anema ade na 3,300 no edu 3,700 different 400 Ghana cedis keti bibi to bi niema asema batum adum anope ye eso yesi atifu aso
Mate, twa de metwa so. Good morning.
Good morning for Kwame Tanku. Michel Anopa Iseni offense ko kwatele do adu. Amenja the champion chairman na kuti. Of Kwame Tanku asema mo ke kakra meka ha ka won say. Yinim say Ghana ha ne de adwuma eye problem. O ma wi school so no. Na o wi school a entena say o twen say aban ne ba be fa wo. Ansa na wanya adwuma aye. Esa wa bodo be ka kiri. Obi wi school 4 years, 3 years, 5 years, 6 years. O wi tu say twan aban de a emmoa. Yahushia politicians no CBC tu ha mo no for Canada e wo fom me kai ba da na penso mo ka so mo ko fom ko fa manane adwuma bibu ama mo ko fom ko fa manana be adwuma e bi akiri ya hunu adwuma bia.
That's good morning.
Over good morning. Within the Joshua Labi because every Accra but you unemployed now more employment now more can they me person me can say Ghana if we say Kwame Nkrumah peso Ubi factories ni companies be na amount for timamufonya bi ye no o free ho no companies ni na be gui ni na gu enya so mfaso bi sisi ya American o say economy no is growing well una onya so mfaso economy no una onya so mfaso o mo ma wie school ni ani atititi fie nya adwuma mfaso enya free economy na so ne de Omaya de bia ekobosia bo. Omaya de bia ekobosia bo IMF. Just economy is growing well. No. Because the economy is growing well.
Okay, good morning.
Hello, Lawson Media, good morning. Nyame Shamoni Ejuma pa mo ye from Philip because free Konoma Francho. Pacho me how I mean to me want to say Konoma Francho car fa yet to do. Edru anopa na wokɔ adwuma just wafa car bear 5 asan wetimi edru krom from Afranchu to Kejetia I was say a cost to 5 cities no normal when you force the 50 pesos but before so bedru krom no and I say free krom e be fia obetua more than 20 to 30 cities asan wetimi edru krom and I say fie.
Okay, Martin, that's good morning.
No, good morning. I am market no mun check the cost mun check yes am betran no makasa economy na better economy mun check employment na badwa no abakro no obi amafo nya adwuma anyi no what one our praise am os cash bottom na we praise party say me nya MPP o me neutral mind the cost nya kra.
Okay, Martin, good morning.
Over Katie ne Franco mama good morning. Ano pay die yen tam kese na mo boss yo me wie 2022 me de sutifie just say be si utrim kra na just say bibi ya yo be si utrim se wa wie school graduates na utifie why your education so they be boa wo man na wo hwe se obetimi aye adwuma na utifie a be si utrim na bibi kra ya yo.
That's it. Good morning.
Good morning. Ofa. Se bibia betimi akoso amayani age ana se nyamamu ni su yuko na besi akoso na yesi pe na wontwa mani hwa adrabafo no
oba ntonso aboa so kwan so driver for ni
me makwa metanku ni nipa na onye ejuma kwa mehwe no bosom bia no ene saa e-levy burden na e wo ho ma unemployed person no mampani Mahama eden we ye fi ho ebiem Bɛtting tax me I have a principle Bɛtting I don't like to do but you who say Ghana mebunu do na na ejuma ye obekọ Bɛtting joint no ho na omunye omo source of income omo so didi. They were complaining bitterly say aban untimi create ejuma bia mai ye kwa akoto ye bet so anya bibi kakra hye ho a eno so di ye ho to eno so ye se Ghana mebunu na omo ye unemployed ne bo ye ba ye fi ho ebiem na anu ada yare eba wiase a otini din a na oman bia ho po covid kwa me wiase nyina and I repeat wiase nyina in the history of the world abakosem na nkasa na Ghana na ye oman a yare aba yitim de yare ne geto covid levy yare ekum obi papa yare ekum obi nua yare ekum obi kunu ye sanje na ho to I have a friend who is in Canada now the friend of Boache was a young MPP person and then there was a free who ya mean to no MPP ni credit kwame na juma no ye ne so no ye between business sa ko tai and na branch na kradeba. The first time I met him, na me call my sister station as Empire FM. No, the documents be me Eric. And near ma me kradeba and a tax and quiet to me for COVID levy 800,000. Now 200,000 a year to COVID levy 1 million Ghana cedis. Such a young person, I know what 33 years. Waje busia ewo bank bi a memodi no de ye juma na ye say yare bi abanti yare na aba no e wo so no ntua ho to de ma ban at the end of the day when who the papa bi anso na ye the results am na say nipa na juma na gu oja kwot na Canada so okoye ne masters be si na o mai me kai say ye ba ban mu me na kaza be tu ta ba frame bi so we say there or taste for Ghana say we so ba back e bi his excellency she Ghana for bo see nim say ho kire wo Ghana experience na ehwem kwala na ho kire wo ho na kwame ye mu bi mo ba bi efiri no onim say ye nua no mo ye unemployed no bi mu aso san hwe mu nua no school we are
why not yeah
bi mo
Ghana say
ehwe mu nua no school ye ba